when I tried to speak in front of someone, and what actually happens, the word doesn't come into mind. Yeah, okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, I have a bad throat today. My voice is really upset. I'm not fine. I'm sorry. So yeah, you'll have to bear this rough voice today. So thank you very much.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. But I would like to welcome you to MentorPlus. I hope you enjoy the next 30 minutes with us. Please introduce yourself, Tanish.
First of all, currently I am a first year BTech student at IIT Roorkee, having branch electrical engineering, and now I am at my room, hostel, Rajendra Bhavan, and that's all. I have completed my 12th class from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Lucknow,
Okay.
and that's
So
all.
what are your hobbies?
Actually, I am not something special hobbies. Generally, in my free time, I used to play carom and go for cycle riding and peaceful trade, etc. Yeah, that's
Okay. Okay. I'm going to ask you certain questions. Okay, before that, I would like to introduce myself. One. I'd like to ask you certain questions. The first one being, challenges you face when you try to speak in English?
challenges. Actually, when I try to speak in front of someone, and what actually happens, the word doesn't come into mind, and the main problem is word selection. And when I try to speak in alone, then that's not big problem. Then I can speak easily, but in front of someone, then word doesn't come into my mind.
See, so basically, nervousness and underconfidence overpowers everything, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. One. Next question to you would be, what all methods you try to improve your English? I mean, have you tried talking to yourself in the mirror? Have you tried talking to your friends, watching YouTube videos?
I Yeah, I have not done so much yet, but I will in future. And what I have did, I generally what I used to see videos of English and English news. Listen, that's what I try to do.
Okay, okay, no problem. Moving on. Last question for you would be, um, why do you think this is the right time to learn English? Why did you feel the need to increase and enhance your communication skills? Because, I want to
Actually,
ask,
I
did you face, yeah, continue.
what ask please.
I was saying, did you face any failure or did anything hurt you? Why did you decide to learn
I'm
English
not
now?
Yes, I'm not any. I have not faced any failure, but to prevent from that failure in my future, that's why I am trying to s- start this. Actually, I think actually I am now in my first year, and I have a time, and my senior said that it's very essential part, and in third year or second year you will be more busy with your college study, and this is the right time to start for this. And actually I am also a UPSC aspirant, so my interview it's very necessary. That's why I tried for.
Perfect, perfect. I am glad that you understood the importance to join at the very right time. Most of the people join very late and that leads to a lot of disappointments in their life, a lot of failures, they face failures. So yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Moving on, I am going to brief you about the three kinds of sessions that we provide here at MentorPlus, and then we'll proceed further. The first session is an interview
Yeah.
round. The second one that we have is a group discussion session. The third one is storytelling session. So the topic for today's storytelling session would be the challenging phase of life. And first of all, I'm going to share the three challenges of my life. Then I would love to hear from you about the challenges of your life. So yeah, this is all from my end. Now I would love to hear from you about the challenges of your life. And accordingly, I'll give you feedback. Thank you. Over to you.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, challenges of my life. Actually, I studied till eighth class in a Hindi medium school, and in ninth class I got selected in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Have you listened about it? So Then after that, in ninth class, actually it was an English medium school. So I remember my first class. It was biology class. So what happened that the teacher in front of me was speaking fluently in English, and I was not so much known of that, and so that was very bad moment for me. And then after that, I start working hard on that I what I used to do that. Uh, in front of me I placed one book in Hindi medium and one book in English medium, and then I used to study with both of the, and that's take me a lot of time, but I was able to manage that. And in whole year in ninth class I was able to do better in English also. And talking about my second challenges, it was just a few 1 year or 2 year back, when I was doing my coaching of JE in 11th class. I was doing much better, and when COVID came back and I was at home, and teacher started teaching in English. No, if teachers started teaching online, and what happened at home, I was not so much concentrated, or actually at on in online medium I am getting so distracted, and there was much of backlog for me, and I was not able to catch them at ends. Let's say they are teaching one chapter and I was two chapter back of them, and my backlog was very huge. And in my first JMN's exam I was not able to do much better, and that time I feel very bad. From then I start working hard, and then I was quite better in my last and JE advance. Then these were two challenges which I feel, and I surely I am going to face more challenges as I am as a UPSC aspirant. So that's all.
Okay, okay, perfect. So yeah, can you please tell me how was your day?
Yeah, it was fine. Just I was sleeping all day actually. Yeah, it was.
Okay, 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 perfect.
Yeah,
So yeah, moving on, I would like to ask you. I'm going to give you feedback now. It is the feedback time. There are two
yeah,
kinds of feedback. One is a flattering feedback where I can only tell you about the good things about your conversation, about your communication skills. The second one is basically a critical analysis of the entire conversation. Basically, an honest
yeah.
review. Which one would you like to hear?
Honest review.
A
Yeah,
flattering one,
actually.
honest one. Honest one?
No. Yeah, yeah.
No. Oh, okay, perfect. So yeah, moving on. First of all, I would like to appreciate you for the you were so comfortably able to share your story with me. I talk to a lot of people every day. There are very few people who are sharing their story just like this. So I was basically living your with you. So that means that you're a very very good storyteller. You know, why when you enjoy the story, when the other person is telling a story nicely, when other person is telling you something nicely, and you were basically to make me like live that story with you. So for that, I want to tell you that you're a good, very good storyteller. You already know the art of story. So yeah, kudos to you for that. Moving on,
Thank you.
I'm going to tell you about the areas of improvement, the shortcomings that I found in your conversation. The first one is there are a lot of grammatical errors. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the first thing. Moving on to the second thing. Second thing is vocabulary. Third thing is pronunciations.
Yeah,
So these are the four areas of improvement that I found in your conversation. And if you have any questions, I'm up for them.
yeah, nothing else.
Perfect. Thank you. It was lovely talking to you. Have a good day ahead. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.